It's peaceful up here. I'm quite hospitable due to the wind, despite it being 100 degrees. My feet are hot though. The ground temp is really high. Most of the plants have died. I came up here smelling something nice, but I can't find it. I think it might be that bush, but I'm not entirely sure. Yes, I know it's a tree, not a shrub. We get a lot of lightning. The reason why I stop talking sometimes is sometimes it's just nice to listen. Not many people will actually listen to me though. And even fewer do I have anything to contribute. It's bright. I came up here to gather some stuff because I thought it smelled nice, but I can't find out what smells nice to me. I think it's the earth, which I can't exactly bottle that easily. Hold on. Sort of the moss. It's been so hot that almost everything's dead out here. I mean, even the trees are feeling it somewhat. Small shrubs can't hold enough water to keep themselves, alive. It is nice out here, though. Anyway, see you next time.